If you're on the hunt for a powerful note-taking app, you've likely come across Obsidian, but is it really the best choice for managing your knowledge? Let's dive in and see what makes it tick and where it might fall short. Obsidian is a note-taking app that's designed for knowledge management, and it does so through a unique system of linking notes together. At its core, it allows you to create a personal knowledge base that can grow and evolve over time. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to start jotting down thoughts right away. One of the standout features is the bidirectional linking, which means you can easily link notes to one another, creating a web of interconnected ideas. This is especially useful for researchers, writers, or anyone who needs to see how different pieces of information relate to each other. However, while the app is powerful, it can feel overwhelming for new users. The learning curve is definitely there, and some features may not be immediately obvious. Additionally, the lack of a straightforward onboarding process might leave some users scratching their heads. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Obsidian's linking feature is a game changer for organizing thoughts. Its markdown support is also a big plus for users who want flexibility in formatting. Plus, the community around Obsidian is quite active, providing plugins and themes that enhance the experience. On the flip side, the steep learning curve can be a real barrier for those who just want a simple note-taking solution. Some users might find the interface a bit too bare bones, especially if they're used to more visually rich applications. Also, while the app is free, some advanced features are locked behind a paywall, which could be a downside for budget-conscious users. In conclusion, if you're serious about knowledge management and don't mind investing some time to learn, Obsidian is definitely worth considering. However, if simplicity is your priority, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a robust tool, but it's not for everyone. Happy note-taking!